Now, still Naija FM 102.7. Now you position put live and direct. Money runs all come to an end, and it's about time we kickstart workshop. But before workshop take full effect, you know we'd always do on top Naija FM as we go do crossing of the bridge for inside and across the bridge. And the one and only Lady J come with a brand new vibe after 2 weeks away, Abi, on leave. Yeah. And Lady J did it right now. They are Sam 31 of Naija FM. Welcome, Lady J. How about now?
Are they alright? Are they okay?
You miss us because me, I miss you. I don't know about you.
Oh my God.
You not miss me. You go say I miss you too. Now so they do.
I know. I already know. Say you don't carry quarrel.
No, not be quarrel. No, as I said.
No, I'm not as a quarrel. Not as per quarrel.
Yeah.
Very figurative.
Yeah, I miss you. I miss you.
Wow.
The on they make and look like say I did lie. I don't like
no,
be on ambulance.
No ambulance they do
But you miss me. Just tell me you miss me, you don't miss me. You the thinker.
I won't answer that question now. I miss.
You want to explain?
I miss you,
answer.
but I don't miss your wahala.
You know.
I don't miss your wahala.
You miss me, not miss my wahala. That's suspicious. Because without my wahala, why you know you can?
Why you know check on me, chat me up.
No, because if I don't want to make evidence. Because
if
I chat on you
now,
the next thing they go call say apart from sending message, I send you picture of my
you send me picture now. Why you they deny?
That one before na mistake. That one happen. I'm talking about now.
Hey God,
you get. But I miss you. How was your leave? You enjoying, right?
Yeah, at least
but you not travel. You don't go. You daily.
No, I no fit travel.
So what do you actually do in between the time we take day off? Yeah.
One of the major things within my mind now to rest because before I go on leave.
Did you achieve that? You know what kind of work?
No, not at all.
You did ask. You not go your man's.
I don't get man. If I get before no.
You not get person when you vibe with currently.
Like how?
Now only Gen Z go understand vibe.
I know it in vibe. I know it in vibe be. Maybe somebody where I they talk to with the hangout.
They play some kind of play.
Like define that play.
Licky.
No. Not that one. I don't get those kind of.
So you don't get man. You don't get put in the vibe with. How you continue to sustain, Lady J? It's shocking because I think you need to be studied because it's not easy. But are you a fan of toys?
No. I don't get toys. I know they use toys.
Wow. Impressive. So this leave your day has.
Well, my hands they busy, obviously.
Your hands? Okay, you didn't need
because I get like last week Thursday now gas deliver one to Ibadan.
Okay. So you try catch up on the others. Yeah. You also take time to treat your hair too. I see a video of you treating your hair.
Well, I don't do that one before I go on leave. I don't start that one before I go on leave.
Okay, you just post and listen. Now when you go on leave, I see the post now.
Another one last week I post and then my second appointment.
Okay. Anyway, welcome. It's good to know that you are doing well. I missed you and I'm happy that you are back. Yeah. Now they do on they make it look like saying I'm fake. You not come from your mind.
People they do on now. If they're nice today, missed.
Just okay. They're nice. When last person they say he miss you?
Don't they?
See, I they try for your life now.
Yeah, because they say they try for my life.
You know, waiting person never tell you. I don't say your body on the street. You do make.
When you come out now, they full everybody talk. You don't see me.
Don't see now. Problem where I get with women be this. Enjoy your time. What I do with other people time, it not be your concern. You get me? Yes, if we can do that, women can do that. This world go in a peaceful place.
Really? So now women they make the work chaotic or be something.
Yes, because I like trouble.
How?
I just do your own. They talk about the person. The one I
because
do with
I know
other
you
people.
very well. Then are you now? Now do that one too. Don't complain. They just see me. She not talk to me. I
greet you now.
After your guests don't go.
Yeah, but okay, sorry, not that I forgot you earlier on. Anyway, now when we don't sort a family problem, let's look to other thing. Anyway, I currently did live on my Instagram right now at MC_RB, EMMCEE_RB. So I want to talk something, Lady J, and this I go there very authoritative. Yeah. I don't want to sound like a dictator, but I don't mind if you consider my yans as dictator yans. But I think it's about time. Before I talk, for like 3 weeks straight right now, 2 shocking revelations from people where I know when they're close to me. I consider them as friends. don't make me arrive at wetin I want talk so. And I want to state it categorically. I think it's about time we make DNA a compulsory arrangement. I want to also let you know DNA don't cost. Depending on the hospital when you do. If you do 80k, 100k, 130k, 150k, I hear some are even cheaper, 70k. DNA for children born should be compulsory from the hospital when they're born. Immediately. I no one care whether you want stand on the say, oh, you don't trust me, that is what I want to. No. I think that has led us to where we are currently right now.
Okay.
DNA test should be compulsory. I don't know what you want to call me. It should be compulsory as you dey born the pikin. Runner and not do and hide. Let your wife know. If your wife want to do too for your husband, maybe let your husband know.
So
you get.
So why they talk say DNA test gas dey compulsory? Wetin happen?
Last 3 weeks, my friend find out say his wife went already married to for 4 years. They get 3 years old son.
Okay.
The first heavy revelation I say, this woman get 3 other children outside. He not tell her. They marry. After I will find herself, that revelation, they can't try patch things up. Only for her to say, me, you go do DNA test for this boy. Now I find out, say, the boy.
No being picking.
Not be picking.
Yeah.
When he tell me, I say, Jesus, I know if he bear this. That was last 3 weeks. Last week, one of my friends where I never hear from.
In a long time.
In a very long time. I call you decide because once I'll check on people. The last time we talk now around John, he said me say his wife get quarrel. His wife can't go on other states where his parents dey. So I know I can't ask her what he say, you know if you talk about them. So when I come message her, where you dey? He said I don't dey UK. I say, UK. Oh, that means that you and your wife and pikin because they get 2 years old daughter. Now you and your wife and pikin move go there. He said, no, now only me dey. Immediately now I say, may I convert this into call? Now I say, can I call you? He say, no, you want I think bus in the transit. Train, I think bus or transit train. You get. So he can't call me a couple of minutes later. And the guy said, the reason why he want to talk to me because now he don't dey in a good place. Say for the past couple of months, before he come up from Nigeria for August, say not dey in a good place. Say depression one killer. Oh God, what happen? Where your wife? Where your daughter? He said they're not there together. What happen? He said during the process for around January, when they try prepare to fair movie family go Canada, now he said make you do DNA test. He said he pay 155k for the DNA test. He do one. He said, why waiting for the result? He can't feel saying, na even waste of money because never even do 100% sure say he want really do the Canada matter. Only for DNA test to come outside. The 2 years old daughter.
No being picky.
Not be you. First of all, this boy, now we gather the, I don't want this specific, but people will know him. We gather, grow together. So I know the struggle. When struggle. When this guy tell and say, he get belle. How they get it first, make he do marriage for him. He got also money. Even when he born pikin, he got stop his work because that work not confident to take care of his family. He got look for another work. Come off for where he did with the guys. Come go rent his own house to stay accommodate the family. Come off for they come move go another place again. I know I hustle. I know me time go call. I don't be just I mean I go. I know the pain when he passed through because of this marriage and this baby girl. So hearing that news, I shout. My wife also know. When my house, I say, "May hold on, make it here waiting my guy." They talk. The pikin not be a pikin. Who born pikin now? The girl not be talk. So he say, why you can't force me marry you when you clearly know say not be me? Get this pikin. He not be talk. And they say, now just on Friday.
He tell you.
Now he tell me. He say he lock everybody out. He both family say you don't even know how God to save her from not killing himself. You get me? And I remembered our last conversation. You get some other detail one official right now. When you go to make the thing they direct. When he talk, he say he not go ever marry or trust woman for his life again. No. But guess what? These 2 people I talk about when within 3 weeks now, when they not find a way to social media, men don't speak. They find way before you tell me, you see how long it take to tell me, you get me. Men not they talk most time. But here we are. That's why I thought say if this can happen, may I will tell you. It says that one as it won't happen. If friend went the US, when get picking with the trade for 7 years, then that one rush come back. You know, sometimes you go left from person, do test. 7 years old picking not be on. This is not real life matter. Me no know that friend. Now he tell me. He said, "I make all your friends now. Don't carry the matter put for her. Say when they don't get, they want go do." So that is why I'm saying, thank God say you will find that early. Imagine if it was more years. Now what they say to just make the matter peaceful. Nobody supposed shown again doing DNA test. I don't know if you get my point.
I get what you talk.
It's supposed to be something when we say it's not supposed to be big deal when you go to reject her. That's what I'm saying. Let's make it mandatory. Let's accept maybe you are a man, you know, say you dey potent, you dey okay for your wife to bring on up a king come when you go train because you know might because of your fault. That is understandable. You might be against it.
Adoption option day, but my point now say okay. In as much as I understand your grievance, based on
not be grievance. I dey speak from reality, not be grievance.
When I say grievance, I say you dey vex, you dey feel pain, you dey pained on behalf of these people where they close to you because you sabi them.
I not feel imagine myself. I tell my wife, I say I not feel imagine myself. I go die. I feel kill myself. Sorry to say. I not feel bear around like the way I beat, the way my heart. I'm not sure I feel bear that kind of myself.
I no fit imagine tell my husband finding out say pikin wey he dey take care of, he dey raise. You know, you go don't bond with the pikin. You don't dey close with the pikin. They look
we
you as
attend
in
the
papa.
2 years birthday. The boy he spent money for 2 years birthday. After the 2 years birthday, now you find out this matter.
You know, I don't if you imagine that whole matter, but in as much as I know, say okay, yes, this even me as you tell myself, I dey feel some kind of way, but I dey talk say okay, if you can't make a mandatory now, you sure say no go breed a lot of suspicion and mistrust between the spouse.
It's supposed clearer, not knowing for suspicion. DNA test be like knowing your blood group.
Secondly, if the pikin resemble the papa. No, you still demand.
These days, my dear, may I tell you, the first 4 years of Peking not resemble one person. When they born my daughter, I look like my wife. 6 months later, it look like my sister-in-law. Now after 6 months, he can't resemble me. Even right now, my daughter not resemble me. Don't resemble my mother.
But if I look at your daughter, I know say now you.
Yes, because I get small, but she's like may I gentle soul rest in peace. She's like a copycat of my mom right now. Okay. You get me? Because I also share resemblance with my my mom. They'll be 4 years plus right now.
Okay.
So you get me? So he resemble. See, he don't. No. Let's do DNA test. Let's make it mandatory. And anybody against it, I feel you are not pure. Now you even get trust issue. Safe. You get me? It's not costly. You know that they have. It too cost. So it shouldn't be. Most up to the spread that false narrative.
And the last some years back, when
Jesus.
When Tinubu be governor, when he in power as governor of Lagos, they get one particular case. They say one, whether a 60-year-old woman, they won't celebrate them. Those days of a Newsline, 20, you know. Newsline every Sunday, they call them, Sunday they say they call them Sunday tonic. Where they go share some very, very tragic, epic stories like this. So this particular woman, then they be 60, over 60, they celebrate, say she just born. You know. Like a few weeks later, they say no, be she born. She thief the pikin from another woman we born. That case can't day long. They say okay, they won't do DNA test, but they find 250K
at that time.
To do DNA test. So now Oga Tinubu wife now come provide
money.
But my point is saying now the cost. So you talk say it is cheaper, but as I back then now 250K they did.
So that time we are talking about 2000 to 2007. If not during Tinubu time,
About.
So right now I'm telling you it's cheaper. Now my friend when say it's in 152 now even because na private hospital now use. So I'm able to tell you they're able cheaper. So that excuse of say it's too expensive. You're not supposed to on ground again. You're not there again right now. So that's what I'm saying. DNA should be compulsory. Not be something one supposed to deliberate on whether you trust me or you don't trust me. Because with the way the world is going right now, it doesn't make sense. Say after years of a lot of sacrifice for picking when you take as your own, you can't find that. You don't know the heartbreak when they come with that.
They follow now. I don't hear of cases where they say the pikin they sick and they in need of blood. The papa could give blood. When they won't give, when they check,
they find out say not be the same.
Your blood no match with the pikin.
So I'm not gonna say me even had go do the DNA. Let's just make it open. Maybe we may say more the runner. I think it will make the world a less.
So when you be the best time to say okay do the DNA now
as a bond the picking. so that more know whether from hospital I will take responsibility or not. Because taking, see, I know what you know.
But you know when your wife taking.
Yeah.
You know when your wife taking.
Even though say I know after this thing we'll do DNA test.
No.
Yes.
Wow.
So more not try bring or create excuse. Say this and that. You were able to calculate it and this and that.
But if you know when your wife taking, then I know things say you go need DNA test because you dey aware of the whole progress from beginning of the time where
so
she
why you feel say may not do DNA test? Now say waste of money or now say waiting.
No, because I feel say
if you breach trust.
Breach of trust because you don't conclude say I know say you be my wife but I no trust you.
Then the narrative owner they use to take the form victimhood now be that.
Who is victim now?
That thing it don't expire. Not be breach of trust. Now it just be like say which example I want use now when they very biblical. Okay, you know say they talk for this your part hold on. Your pastor preach something. Mm-hmm. Anyway, we are to be blamed for that area. Your pastor talks and say he did inside Bible. Mm-hmm. What will be the right thing when you go do? You not go carry the Bible, you not go buy your Bible, open and make you confirm whether it is inside or not. I know we fail to do that in this part of the world because we follow our pastor man most time on top what he talks inside Bible.
But most of the time, when pastor they preach, you go say, turn your Bibles to so and so.
Go where. Shebi you go still open that to confirm say what the pastor they read.
You go open them now.
That's what DNA test be. That's what it be. Now just say you talk say na so it be abi. Oh yeah, just to follow open now more go do one. You get me
now.
Because it's better that way. Maybe it go make things easier.
I tell you the truth. See,
so you dey try to say make them not do one.
Woman know who be the papa of her.
He good make the papa also know through doing DNA test.
No.
No,
so,
serious.
Not be only by just DNA test now.
By waiting, Lady J.
You no go ask am. No woman go tell me say I don't know who give me belle. I don't know who be the father of this pikin. You suppose know unless you dey talk say you dey do 1, 2, 3, 4.
I want so which time. Excuse you want give my two friends now when we say their life one start from ground zero. Even one already even started life. So which excuse you want give?
Like the second one where they insist say you must we must do wedding. When person they put you under pressure like that, you suppose sit down. You say, why this girl they put me under pressure? You know, you suppose they're suspicious of her actions.
So you want blame the guy now? Say you not suspect the guy from the beginning.
No, be say I know they blame him. I know blame him at all. But I say that her action it just be like a pointer, like a red flag. When somebody say, oh yeah, no, it don't happen. Oh, yeah. Why the rush?
Because people don't want born outside of marriage.
Huh.
Yeah, even you know that one already. So the other person, what you be your excuse for that one?
Which one?
When you born till then, see give on that map.
You don't find out. You don't find out.
So you want to blame the man?
You don't find
this word not be fair to men.
No.
See, I've always said
like
this.
Like me now, may I tell you some few years ago, I did chat with someone. The guy in America, and they chat with me. We they talk. So one of those days, I can't decide to ask him question.
Okay.
I say, you don't marry? He say yes.
After another talk.
So assuming I know ask him now. If or no talk.
So you did to make this man ask you don't get picking.
Questions. Find out. Do your findings.
Person when not great.
Hey, do your findings. Ask questions. No, but not the truth now. When you did relationship with people, my mentor we be of blessed memory now. She always talk and say courtship time, relationship time, not time for conversation.
Person not really talk something. If you say that when you ask and I go talk and come outside. Anyway, I've always said it. I like the fact that men not be really outspoken being. Than why even when people say, oh, let your emotion out, men, let your emotion out. The day men go let all their emotion out, this planet will separate into two. Women go do one side, men go do one side. You know why? Because if only you know waiting men they really pass through. When we know they fit talk because of shame or sometimes because as a man just keep it and find your way around that. I just give you an example. If we're not talking about these two incidents that happen within 2 weeks now when the revelation now, nobody go know if because none of them don't speak about them.
They go through their own too. They get men where they show them.
But I'll be last speaker. Now I make the terminology men has come there everywhere. Yes, now you know what I'm talking about.
So the guys know they come out, they talk their own.
We hardly speak out. We hardly
R&B.
hardly speak out. You know how many men don't discover say their children not be their own? How many years say they don't do on camera they shall say, oh, hey, you not go here. Look, you don't move on with their life. You get me? So just the same way my guys now they try find their path for life right now.
No man don't ever come out talk say.
I'm not saying no man, dog. I'm just telling you when it comes to the rate of speaking out about things like this, you go hardly see any man they do one. Just I use my friend as an example. Now you go hardly they never even greet her. Even if to say I know, you not go tell me. You get me?
Wow.
Even the first one self, you not even greet let the family know what they pass through. Right now. You get. So but last, it is where I still stand on the fact that DNA should be compulsory. It should be compulsory, and I don't feel say you get any reason to think otherwise of except say maybe your way not just naturally dey pure, or the excuse when I give before maybe the man not fit do am, you know say okay see what happen there, you go say I don't need that. You get
well,
me?
if you dey honest from beginning, tell am.
But we dey preach honesty and truth. So if DNA go bring a bad truth, why we not want accept the truth when the DNA want bring?
Say some people because we don't hear stories of. You get one time where I think for Sabi your partner, one woman to come out talk say her husband no tell am say in headquarters he no dey up to anything.
You waiting?
In headquarters he no reach anything.
I don't understand about it.
You don't understand. You need to understand.
Say
in headquarters no then so they don't marry for like
okay not
how many this thing no they touch her. You know they no fit. Say she dey frustrated. Say she
now she gonna carry belly outside.
She don't carry belly outside. Say they tell them say her parents they tell them say they be pastor so she no fit do that kind to bring shame to them. She said but she dey frustrated in mind. Say the man no tell them before they marry. I
want something. We they always preach live by the truth and die. What if be that part for that Bible for commandment?
If for you know commandment, say
10th commandment. And when they talk about truth, something yes, now be not be when they talk about truth, say
no be 10 commandments. Waiting Jesus talk now say you go know the truth and the truth go
set you free. So why do you have problem with DNA when one bring about the truth? Why will you not go against a process that will bring about truth that you say if you know the truth that will set you free? You know what people they set free?
R&B. We know the context in which they talk with it. They talk.
Okay, so that context of truth not apply to DNA test.
Because people don't get that experience, don't mean say it go replicate itself for every other household.
And that is why the truth need to be seen in every other household.
So just everybody now go they do DNA test.
Yes, everybody go do.
Hey, you said you go do now.
You know what I don't do.
Hey, R&B.
So that you know what I don't do.
R&B.
For me to the authoritatively they talk right, you know what I don't do.
R&B.
But it doesn't stop anything. It doesn't make me less.
You don't need them.
Yeah.
You don't need them. You don't obviously say those are your children. What did they do DNA test?
They get plan.
Hey, I wish plan.
Anyway, that will be all. This conversation, hopefully, we can continue it. But I've said it and I will continue to say it. Please go and do DNA test. Make it compulsory. Very important. Discuss it with your partner before you do it. And even before now, the marry self, Mona make sure say it compulsory. You get it. Saves a lot. The truth shall set you free. Welcome to Nigeria once again. My name is Narambi. Join me tomorrow from 6 a.m. to 11 a.m. and the DJ don't on ground. From now, I can go reach 4 p.m. on top air workshop. One love to. I'm gonna stay safe and I try use condom if you want to play any play. I beg,
Naija FM 102.7. Taking in news. Now time for Tori.